Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight with friends. First, launch the game and head to the main menu. From there, you'll see options to play as either a survivor or a killer. To start a game with your friends, simply select the Create Lobby option. This will set up a private match where you can invite others to join you for some thrilling gameplay. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your private lobby is created, look for the Invite Friends button. Clicking this will bring up your platform's friend list, allowing you to easily select and send invitations to anyone you want to play with. Your friends will then receive an in-game notification. They just need to accept the invite, and they'll be automatically brought into your lobby, ready to join the action. In your private lobby, you and your friends can decide on your roles. You can play as up to 4 survivors working together, or one of you can take on the role of the killer. This flexibility allows for different team compositions and strategies. Remember, you can always switch roles around with your friends before the match officially begins, ensuring everyone gets to play what they prefer. With everyone in the lobby and roles assigned, the host can now initiate the match. Just make sure all your friends are ready to go before starting. Get ready for some intense chases and strategic teamwork. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh during long gaming sessions. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.